The cash-rich Indian Premier League (IPL) has made some sweeping changes in the player retention rule ahead of the mega auction. The IPL Governing Council has allowed the highest number of retentions to give franchises an opportunity to retain a core set of players. Now the franchises can retain up to 6 players from the 2024 squad, including a maximum of 5 capped players and a maximum of 2 uncapped Indian players, before the mega auction. There is no nationality limit on capped players. All capped retention can be exclusively Indian or overseas players or a mix of them. The IPL has increased the auction purse to 120 crore, which is a 20% increase from the 100 crore that franchises had at the 2024 auction. The purse available at the last mega auction, in 2022, was 90 crore, to which increments of 5 crore were made every subsequent year. The IPL has put in salary caps based on the number of retentions. In a marked shift from previous mega auctions, where every subsequent retention could come at a lesser price, franchises will now have to shell out larger amounts to go beyond 3 retentions. Franchises are free to choose their combination of outright retentions and RTM cards to keep hold of up to 6 players from their 2024 roster. A franchise that retains no players will enter the mega auction with 6 RTM cards at their disposal. A franchise retaining all 6 players will have no RTM cards to use at the auction. For the first 3 players retained, the salary cap will be 18 crore, 14 crore and 11 crore. The salary cap for the 4th retention will be 18 crore. The salary cap for the 5th retention will be 14 crore. Uncapped Indians will have a salary cap of 4 crore. So if a franchise retains 5 capped players before the auction, it will need to spend 75 crore, nearly 2/3 of its purse. For context, teams had to shell out just under 47% of their total purse to make the maximum permitted retentions, 4 ahead of the IPL 2022 mega auction. The IPL has revived a rule it had scrapped after the 2021 season, which allowed capped Indian players who had retired or not played international cricket in the last 5 years to be categorized as uncapped players. This means 5-time champions Chennai Super Kings can now retain MS Dhoni as an uncapped player. Not just Dhoni, this rule will allow several other India internationals who were part of the IPL in 2024 to be retained as uncapped players, including the likes of Piyush Chawla, Mohit Sharma and Sandeep Sharma among others. Overseas players who make themselves unavailable for an IPL season after being signed at an auction without legitimate reasons will be penalized with 2-year bans. Additionally, an overseas player who does not register for the mega auction will not be allowed to register for the subsequent mini auction, with exceptions only made in case of injuries and/or medical conditions confirmed by the player's home board. The IPL has decided to impose a maximum fee for overseas players at mini auctions. Any overseas player's auction fee at a mini auction will be the lower figure out of the highest retention price, 18 crore, and the highest auction price at the mega auction. Players have the right to refuse to be retained in case they prefer the auction route. The deadline for retention is October 31st.